To understand the Qur'an, we need to comprehend the language. And to comprehend the language, we need to grasp its roots. There are approximately 100 words in the Qur'an from the root al. We say, Ala ash-shay'a, he restored or set something right after it had become corrupt. Ala ash-shayu, its opposite is corruption, and al means reconciliation. Alatu baina al-qawm, I reconciled between the people. Ala, he brought righteousness, which is goodness and correctness. And in safety there is a malah, meaning a benefit or good. So the central meaning of this root is the soundness or wholeness of a thing's structure, meaning its restoration to its original, complete, and beneficial state, the good that has been brought about or intended. This is understood from the act of repairing that which was broken or corrupted, and that success, tawfiq, is a matter of things coming together in harmony. From this semantic root also comes the meaning of reconciliation, or peace, such as in the phrase tala al-qawm, the people reconciled, and ala ma bainahum, he reconciled what was between them, as in the verse. And if two groups among the believers fight, then make peace, fa'ali, between them. Qur'an. Also from al is being free from sins or faults that prevent success, as in the verse. Gardens of perpetual residence which they will enter, along with whoever was righteous, ala, from their forefathers. This means, with those among their forefathers who had righteous deeds, even if their deeds did not reach the same level. And in the verse, indeed, Allah does not set right, yuli, the work of corrupters. Meaning, he does not bring it to success, nor grants it the result intended. Underscore 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 underscore. There are also approximately 100 words in the Qur'an from the root sbl. We say as-sabl, the flowing or trailing garments. Asbala azara, he let his garment hang low. Asbala alfaris donaba, the horse let its tail down. Asbala thiyaba, he lengthened his clothes and let them trail to the ground. Ainan sabl, an eye with long lashes. As-sabl, the rain that falls between the clouds and the earth. The core meaning of this root is a downward extension with continuity, as in garments that extend to the ground, or a horse's tail that nearly touches the earth when let down. Likewise, the long eyelash reaches below the eye, and the mentioned rain appears as threads stretching from the clouds to the ground. From this original meaning comes as-sabla, the hair on the upper lip, which includes both sides of the mustache and the space in between, appearing as a continuous line. Also derived from it is as-sable, the path or way, due to its extended form, distinct from the surrounding land, and its connection to another place, as in the verse. And, due to Allah from the people is a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able.